What if I were to hand you $20 for buying a product that cost $9.95? Does that sound pretty crazy? Yeah, it kind of does, but I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to explain it to you. It's coming up in my review of Profit Alliance. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can't move successfully. Well, me, bye-bye, Neil over here. Now, if you are new and if you're not new, by now you know that I tell the same jokes every single time I make one of these videos, and they're boring. I get it. But you know what? In my jokes, I like them, so go figure. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my desk? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? You know that guy Bart, for years now, for years, he's been talking about crap. He's been driving me absolutely insane over and over and over again. He got a bunch of his friends in on it also. This guy's so annoying, always on about the crap. Bart, get a new line. Seriously, you got Simpsons money. Get a new line. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a live video channel about my mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. And I see Liz, she's a sweetheart. I do love this lady. You know, she always has the sweetest thing to me. And, you know, yeah, I am successful, actually. It's true. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for the Profit Alliance, this is from Michael Cheney. It's his latest release. Now, I took a look at the whole thing. I'm going to show you the members in just a second. Before I do, I want to tell you about my custom bonus, because as always, I do have the best custom bonus you're ever going to see for any product, pretty much. I always really go all out. And in this case, I really wanted to give you something that is going to make this pop for you. So Profit Alliance, basically what he's going to do is he's going to teach you to promote his own products and keep 100% commissions on the money, which is great. You know, I've made a ton of money off of Michael. You know, and you can do that too. It's very, very easy to make money off of his products, and this is no exception. But he's going to tell you how to drive traffic. I'm going to show you the members. Oh, let me show you now. So he's got this whole thing on getting traffic here, okay? And he's going to give you various ideas on how to do this and whatnot. And there's some great ideas here. But what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you something that nobody else is going to give you. Okay, first of all, I'm going to give you my latest video on 3 surefire guaranteed methods to get buyer traffic. Now, what do I mean by buyer traffic? So basically what you have is like this. You have traffic, because like anybody can generate traffic. You can, you know, go and put a link on Facebook and say, hey, check this out. And people might click and take a look and they don't buy anything. Okay, you can also give away stuff for free to random people, because a lot of people like free stuff. The trouble is that the people who take freebies often don't buy anything from you. Heck, a lot of them don't even have a credit card to buy anything or a PayPal account. Okay, so it's really tough to give away something for free or to drive that kind of traffic. What you want is buyer traffic. Now, my 3 methods are going to guarantee buyer traffic. They're the easiest methods to actually do that. But in order to get that buyer traffic, you are going to need a particular tool. Basically, you have to have something to give away, which is where I'm going to come in. And by the way, the $20 that I mentioned earlier, I'm going to tell you about that in just a second. That's just an extra something that I've thrown in just for fun. But okay, so the first thing, I'm going to give you 3 of my complete products. And these are not just courses. Okay, courses are an individual video, 20, 30, 40 minutes, however long it is, that's going to teach a particular skill set or a particular method. The course, though, gives you an entire package, including done-for-you content that you can actually go ahead and use to make money. So you're going to get 3 complete courses. I think I only did this once, that I gave away 3 complete courses for a much, much higher ticket product than this. You're going to get 3 complete courses, complete with the done-for-you content. Everything is included for you. So basically, you have everything to be able to give away, not just the course to tell people how to do it, but also all the content that comes with it. So you basically have a complete product. You can rebrand and sell it as your own, give it away as your own, use it as your own bonus, whatever you want. Okay, you're gonna have PLR rights on all three of these products, complete with all of the done for you content, which I pretty much never do. I've given away some of these courses before, but I've never given away the done for you content because that creates additional competition for me, since you're basically giving exactly what I'm selling. But this is a rare occasion where I'm doing that. I'm also going to give you the entire Sean Mize collection. Now, if you're not familiar with Sean Mize, he is an expert on marketing. He currently works just advising top people. Like, he charges like $50,000 an hour or something, some crazy amount of money for doing this. But before he did, he put together an entire collection of courses. You're going to get that as well with PLR rights. It means you can sell it, you can give it away as your own, you can use it as your own bonus. So all these things are going to be included for you. Now I want to tell you about the $20 also. And by the way, this is all with just the $9.95 purchase. You don't have to buy an upgrade in order to get these bonuses. If you want to buy an upgrade, that's great, but you're not going to need to get to buy an upgrade to get these bonuses. I do have a bonus for the upgrade, but I'll tell you about them in just a second. In addition to all that, I wanted to give you $20 just for buying this from me, even though it costs you $9.95. Now, I can't unfortunately give you cash. It's just illegal for me to do that. What I can do instead is to give you $20 off of any of my products, including the done for you products, whatever you want. There's a whole list in the bonus stock. You pick whatever you want. You're just going to let us know. We're going to issue a one-time coupon for $20 off whatever product you would like to purchase. Any of them you want, we're gonna hand it to you, $20 off. You take what you want, get it for $20 off. If it's a $9.95 product you want, you can get two $9.95 products completely for free. Okay, you just let us know that that's what you want. We don't care. You get $20 off of our products, and it's an exclusive coupon just for you. You're going to have that on top of all of these other things. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I was taking a look at this, and he's got some great ideas on traffic. But the three methods that I'm giving you are guaranteed buyer traffic, which is very, very rare to find anywhere else. And they all are completely free. You don't spend any money for them. As a matter of fact, one of them, you actually are going to want to specifically use the stuff I'm giving you as a bonus. You're going to be able to use that as your own bonus to be able to give away to buyers, and specifically to buyers. You're going to see how to do that. It's a really, really cool method that I came up with that really does bring in a lot of traffic. And again, nobody else is going to do this for you. Okay, people have other bonuses, of course. They're going to give you all kinds of stuff, but nobody's giving you 3 of their complete products to give away, plus giving you $20 off of anything else you want. Okay, plus the Sean Mize collection. That's just totally bonkers. Now, if you do pick up any upgrade worth at least $50 or more, I'm also going to hand you a custom-made video sales letter. That means if you want to take one of my products and turn it into your own, you can. I will make you a custom-made video just for it, and you can name it whatever you want to name it, give it whatever title you want, and you're going to have that as well. It's going to be included in the package for you when you pick up $50 or more worth of upgrades. Okay, so and again, the reason is because I do believe this is going to help you out. And for $9.95, it's really a no-brainer to pick this up. Again, you're going to get 3 complete products from me, plus $20 to spend on whatever of my products you want. Okay, and that means if you want to get 2 free products for each one of them $9.95, you can get 2 free products. If you want $20 off of one of the upgrades, you can get that. Whatever you want, you just let us know. You're going to get $20 off. Plus, you're going to get the Sean Mize collection completely for free as well. Everything included. This is truly unprecedented in what you're going to be getting from me for a $9.95 product. Nobody's going to do this for you. I've checked out some of the other bonuses, and they're nice bonuses, but nobody's got what I've got. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you tip my hat. As always, Cheney has some great ideas here. And bottom line, what you want to do is take my bonus and use it to take this to the next level, because that's really going to make this pop for you. Grab this, you're going to love this.